In this video, I'll be talking about the credit score and how to optimize it. I'll give you my top 5 recommendations, 5 simple things that you can do to improve your credit score. So let's talk about why the credit score is important in the first place. In essence, your credit score is telling lenders how healthy your financial situation is and how healthy your credit report is. Your credit score becomes essential when you're applying for mortgages, remortgages, credit cards, a loan, mobile phone contract, a car, and so on. So optimizing your credit score basically translates into better deals for you. It goes without saying that making all payments on time is the number one factor, the most important thing you can do to optimize your credit score. In addition to that, here are my top 5 recommendations. Number 1, get yourself on the electoral roll at the current address where you live. How does this affect my credit score, you're asking? Being on the electoral roll means that you have registered to vote, which is viewed positively by the lenders as it helps them identify you. And if you move house, make sure that you register at your new address. Tip number 2, keep hard searches low. Do not open more than one account in 6 months. So how does this affect my score, you're asking? When you apply for credit loan, credit card, mortgage, or open a new utility account, lenders basically carry out a hard search on your report. This is when a company looks at your full credit report. If you have more than one hard search in 6 months, it can sometimes affect your credit score. It can indicate to lenders that you rely too much on credit, and it affects the chances of lenders accepting you for a new credit. Of course, after 6 months, hard searches are removed from your report. On a personal note, and what I can share from my experience, is that my credit score jumped significantly after I actually took my first credit card. I took my first credit card just 2 years ago, very, very late, after I had 2 mortgages already. But what I could see, a very quick and significant increase in my credit score once I started paying back the credit card a couple of months. Why is that? Is because lenders can identify you, and more importantly, they can see your great payment history. Number 3, keep your credit use low. How does this affect my credit score, you're asking? It basically helps you to show lenders that you are in control of the borrowing. If you'd like to maintain and improve your score, again, it's very simple. Keep below 70% of your credit limit. Keep paying off any outstanding debt. Your credit utilization ratio, also called the balance to credit limit ratio, is the second most important factor in your credit score. So remember, the lower your utilization rate, the better for your score. Number 3, don't close an old account. Try not to close the oldest accounts that you have on your credit report, because this can shorten your active credit history and can damage your score. And the last tip that I have is to check your credit score regularly. It doesn't really affect the credit score directly. However, regularly checking your credit score will help you to become more aware of your score, will help you to notice, will help you to detect any inaccurate or incomplete information on your credit report. And the good news is that the credit scores are not impacting by you going every single day and checking your score. So, to summarize, 5 top tips to help you optimize and improve your credit score. Get yourself on the electoral roll at the current address. Keep hard searches low. Don't open more than one account in 6 months. Keep your credit score use low. Don't close old accounts. Check your credit score regularly. This is all, my friends. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Stay happy, stay healthy, and I'll see you soon.